So I got these bad boys because I had to cut some zip ties, and yeah, let's see. Is this thing gonna focus? Nope, it's not gonna focus, but it doesn't matter because these things are absolutely amazing. I've got this toothpick thing that I was just working with. It's toothpick handle. What is it? Dental flosser. Let's see. Let's hold this, press it together, and it shot off like a rocket. Let's do it again. Press it together. Well, let's do this, do that. Bam, it's gone. Let's see if you need this. And this is basically like the same quality or same quality as a zip tie. So that's what I got. I got these for. I don't really have any wires to cut, but I do have this. I mean, I have like 5 million extra of these like cables, so whatever to this. So let's see. Let's go ahead and cut the head off of this. That was easy. That was way easier than I had originally thought. Let's go ahead and put this here. If you need to, hold it down slightly. See if we can get the casing off of this. Well, if you wanted to, you could, but I'm not gonna sit up here and do any of that stuff. The whole point is that it cuts the wires, right? And then for me, most importantly, it cut the zip ties very, very easily for me. So again, let's cut the head off of this other piece right here. Since we're just cutting things, why not? All right. So here we got a completely separated snake basically. So this thing is absolutely useless. I gotta throw this away. And then now, because of this video, now I have to go find all of those other pieces. And I have no idea where they went. Oh, they're over there. I'm gonna throw these over there with them. But yeah, at the end of the day, I really love this thing. It's so much easier than scissors and all this other stuff trying to figure out to cut the zip ties, and they're so small. That's what I like too. They're so small that they can get into those tight places where you're really, for the zip ties, you're really tight on those. And then again, for the wire cutters, you just saw it's absolutely perfectly fine. So I really enjoy these. They're very simple. That's what I like. They're very simple and very straight to the point, and they just work. That's it. That's all I want in a product. Simple, straightforward, and it actually works.